Hey guys, it's Zachary and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm basically just going to be explaining how to toggle off the Snowsgiving annoying sounds on Discord. As you can see, it usually sounds like this. Really annoying. It's overall generally hated. Like, I don't really see any supporters for this annoying sound. But basically, I'm going to be telling you guys how to toggle that off. It's very simple actually. All you do is you go into the gear, you click appearance, and then you click this button. And it turns it off. And once you do that, it sounds like normal. So yeah, that's basically it. Please consider subscribing. I'm not gonna make it long. Just consider subscribing, like, and ring that bell. Okay, goodbye.